In this video, we're going to show you how to borrow a book from the library in a few quick, simple steps. First, you'll need the book or books you want to borrow. Once you've done that, you'll need to go to one of our self-issue machines. Usefully, you'll find them located on each floor of the library. Next, you need to scan your college card on the self-issue machine. Finally, place the book on the machine and then wait for the book title with a green tick next to it to appear on the screen. You can check out multiple books at a time, and when you're done, simply press Finish at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. You've borrowed a book.